What's in there? I don't think anything of yours is in there. No, I'm pretty sure it's not. It's the stuff I took out of the car. No. I don't see anything that's yours. Just some catalogs, maybe. Hey, wanna look? Do you? Here, why don't you see if you tip it over for me? Goodness, Rivet. And you don't have to use that box. Sweetie, sweetie. There's nothing in there that's yours. I promise. Look. 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 Seriously. Look, come here. Come here. Come here, look. See? Here, do you want me to dump it out? I have to reuse this box, so I can't have you destroying it. See? That's empty. It's a catalog and some pens. See? There's nothing else. There's nothing in there, Cooper. Wow. Sweetheart. See? I told you. Here, look. Did I open this? Huh? I better look at this anyway. I don't know what's in there. Clearly there's nothing gross in there. There's nothing at all in there. Okay, stop that. It's like you work for TSA or something, huh? What's the deal? There's nothing in there. Rivet! Rivet! Look at me! Rivet! Rivet!